Hi everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can make this very beautiful rainbow colored party decoration. This decoration is made out of balloons and crepe paper, streamers, strings in the shape of curtains. In case you're new to this channel is all about party decorations, holiday decorations and all kinds of other DIYs. So if you haven't subscribed yet, click on that red subscribe button right now so you don't lose my channel and you stay updated on all my future uploads. I have 7 different colors of balloon here: blue, purple, yellow, green, red, pink and orange. We will be using pink color crepe paper, purple color crepe paper, blue, green, yellow, orange and red. For this decoration, we'll open up the crepe paper. The length of my decoration string is 1 meter. We'll take one edge of it and we will fold it like this. We'll take tape and stick it on the corner like this, half for that side and half for this side. We'll put tape half on this side and half on the other side. Next we are going to take a large piece of tape. We are going to cover the surface here, and that's the same that we'll be doing on the other side as well. We'll take large piece of tape and we'll cover the front surface. After we have done so, we'll take the other edge of the crepe paper and we will fold it, not till the end of the crepe paper, not till here, but we'll fold it till this fold we have here. We're going to fold it over once. We'll fold it over again. And we'll fold it over one more time like this. Next we'll make small cuts in them. After each half centimeter, we won't cut till the edge, we'll only cut till here. And after we have done so, we will open up all the folds that we have. After we have done that, we'll take our balloon and we will put a piece of double-sided tape on the back side of it, and we'll paste the balloon on top of the streamers. We will paste the same colored balloon on the same color streamer. If you want more amazing DIYs like this, which you can find nowhere else on the internet, then do subscribe to my channel. Let me know in the comment section below if you did like this DIY. If you did like this DIY, please don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. Please don't leave this channel without subscribing, and do check all my other videos, and I'm sure you'll find amazing party ideas to make your occasion special.